Hi everyone, this is Megan Eberly, one of your assistant principals, and this screencast will show you how to translate any Google survey into whatever language is most comfortable for you. So here at CBASE, we ask you to complete many surveys throughout the year. We do this because your opinion is important to us, and we want to know if we are doing the right things to help you learn best. So if you are learning English, it might be better for you if you could read and respond to a survey using a language other than English. You might be better able to answer the questions and say what you are really thinking without having to search for the words in English. So here's how to translate any Google survey from English to the language that you would like. To do this, you will need to use a computer. I have not yet figured out how to do this on a phone, but if anyone learns how, please tell me. So I'm starting from our annual student survey. We ask these questions of our students every year so that we can see how we are doing as a school and we can see if there are ways that we can be better. Using a mouse or the trackpad on your laptop, you will need to right-click on the survey. So if I right-click, a little menu will pop up. If you are on an Apple laptop, you will need to press the Control key on your keyboard and then click your trackpad. So you try to right-click, and when you do that, you will see this menu show up on your screen, and you want to choose the option on the menu that says Translate to, even if it says Translate to English, like you see here. As long as it says Translate to, you're in the right place. Once you click on Translate to, you will then see another little window up here at the top right that will show up. And if the language that you need is not already listed, you will click on these three dots right here, just to the right of the language that is listed. I'm going to click on these three dots, and then I'm going to choose another language, the first option, choose another language. Once I have clicked on choose another language, then I see another window. It's kind of changed a little bit, and it says language to translate into, and I see English, but there's a little arrow here that indicates that this is a drop-down menu. So I'm going to click on the language, English, and suddenly I have a huge menu of choices. All of these choices with languages that I can choose. So I'm going to do this again. Right-click, translate to, the three little dots, choose another language, drop-down menu, English to lots of different choices. And I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to choose Spanish. So here's Spanish. I've scrolled down the menu, click on Spanish, and then I'm going to click on Translate. And that's it. You can see that the form has been translated. And yes, it is Google Translate, so it's not perfect. But hopefully it is easier than reading English if you are trying to learn English. These surveys are really important to our school, and we really do want to know what you think. So we want to remove any barriers that might get in the way from you giving us your honest opinion. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope this helps.